Hello everyone, my name is Taufik from Tenet Technetronics. Today I will be taking you through some of the components that we have, and I will be giving you a brief explanation of all the components. Hello everyone, today I will be giving you an introduction to this breakout board, power supply breakout board. When we are using different circuits or different components, we require different supplies. That is, we might require at times 12 volt supply, sometimes we might require 3.3 volt, or sometimes we may require 5 volt. So we need to have different power supplies to be supplied to the circuit. So we have designed a new power supply breakout board which supplies all of them in a single circuit. So here you can see this power supply breakout board supplies all the three power supplies, and we can use whichever we want. So here I will be just getting you through all the components that we have. So here we have the 7805. So as we know, the 7805 supplies a regulated 5 volt supply. So with this we are able to supply a 5 volt regulated power supply. And nearby we can see here an LM117, that is LM1117 IC, which supplies a regulated 3.3 volt. So if you want a 3.3 volt, this IC supplies a regulated 3.3 volt. And if you want a 12 volt, you can directly supply from the battery and we can get it or from the power supply. So from this we get the input, and this supplies the 5 volt and this supplies the 3.3 volt. And besides, we have two LEDs. So when we are using a 3.3 volt, this LED blinks and we can come to know that we are using or we are getting a 3.3 volt. And besides here 7805, we have a yellow LED. So this indicates that we are using a 5 volt power supply. So here we have the terminals. So with this here we can get a 3.3 volt, here we have a 5 volt, and here we can get a 12 volt. And we do have these pins. With this also we get 3.3 volt, a 5 volt and a 12 volt. And inside there are many other components. We have a diode, you can see IN4004, which can supply high current and is used for voltage drop. And we have many capacitors and resistors that act and give the regulated power supply that we require. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts, you can log on to www.tenettech.com, or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com. Thank you.